Nack's awesome world!
Hi, everyone! Ready for a game of hide and seek?
Harley's hiding. Can you find me? Tee-hee.
In, on, under, behind. Clap, clap. In, on, under, behind. Clap, clap. Where is she hiding? Let's go find. Clap, clap. In, on, under, behind. Clap, clap. Look at that big dinosaur. Where is Harley? Is she on the floor? No! On, she's on the dinosaur's back. On, that's a giant animal track. In, on, under, behind. Clap, clap. In, on, under, behind. Clap, clap. Oh, a giant egg is here.
Is she hiding? Is she near?
Yes! In. She's in the giant egg. In. Watch her move her little leg. In, on, under, behind. Clap, clap. In, on, under, behind. Clap, clap. Watch out for the mammoth's feet. Where is she? Is she in the street? No! Under. She's under the mammoth's feet. Under. Harley's safe and looking sweet. Where could she be? Behind the rock?
Tick, tick, tick tock, what a shock!
Peekaboo!
Behind. She's behind the big red rock. Behind. Now it's time to stop the clock. In, on, under, behind. Clap, clap. In, on, under, behind. Clap, clap. We found her. You're so smart. Learning English is a work of art.
Great job, everyone! We found Harley! That was fun! See you next time!